Well, first of all, I thought it'd be very rude not to give you a little bit of a video. I'm at Reap, Yorkshire. If you want to give them a follow on Instagram, I'll put their little tag up on here. So I've just arrived this morning, and basically what I'm here to show you is this. How stunning does that car look? That is our Porsche 918 Spyder. The reason why we brought the car up here is because of the car obviously originally came in and it had a wrap from new, which was in like a pearlescent white colour. Since we've had it all wrapped and taken the wrap off, sorry, should we say, it's absolutely stunning in white. Let me just show you a few bits on this. We are looking at this 918 Spyder as well. Let me bring your attention to something else which is really special. Just look at this. GT3 Touring, that's just arrived. I think they're going to start it up now. The reason why that sounds so good is because it's been fitted with a Shark's Works exhaust. The owner of this guy is surely going to have a lot of fun. How cool is that? We're going to show you a little bit more on this 918 Spyder once we get it back to Redline Specialist Cars, and hopefully we can enjoy the sights and the sounds a little bit more. Here at Reap, Yorkshire, we are just finishing off a few final touches on the car. As you can see there, the car's been completely de-wrapped, and we are just putting the finishing touches, the little hybrid badges that I've ordered this morning. They've arrived, I brought them up here, so we'll be taking that back down to Redline, where she'll sit in the showroom looking fabulous. So we're just a few minutes away now here at Reap, Yorkshire. The guys are doing the finishing touches. We'll bring the car out, we'll take it on the road all the way back to Redline, and let's see what it's like. So this is it. This is the moment I've always been waiting for. I'm sat behind the wheel of a Porsche 918 Spyder. Wow, This is absolutely stunning. They've done a really good job of the guys at Reap. Very pleased with that. Obviously de-wrapped the car. We'll show you some pictures of before and after as well, just so you can see what they've done. It looks beautiful now in white. It really, really does. So we turn her on. And that's it. That's all you hear, because it's obviously electric. Down into D. There we go. This is hybrid mode. It's so quiet. Cheers, guys. Okay, so we're going past RPM. These guys as well. These have been training with Porsche cars for a while. So I say thanks to them. They can't believe it's not turned on. So RPM, they're great guys. They're an independent Porsche dealer. They've helped us out with this as well. We're taking a few little trims away just so we can get to the wrap and make sure it's all nice and taken away with no missing parts. Oh my god, this is so weird. I'm driving a 918. This car is awesome. Seriously cool. It's stunning. I mean, the sound on this thing. Oh my god.